Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to change Gmail account name. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily change your name on your Gmail account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I will be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your Play Store, your App Store, and then update your Gmail application over here. So search for Gmail. Now once you search for Gmail over here, just update your Gmail application. You need to make sure you're using the latest version of your Gmail application over here. Now once you are done with that, all you want to do is to open your Gmail over here. Now once you open your Gmail, click on the profile, click on your profile at the upper right corner and click on manage your Google account. But you need to make sure you're using, or you log into the Gmail account you want to change its name. So once you click on that, you can see better things to come over here. So you can see better things to come. Now to change this name, just click on personal info, and once you click on personal info, scroll to where you can see under basic info, you can see name. So click on your name, and once you click on your name over here, you can see the pen or the pencil over here. Just click on it and change your name. So let me enter Freedom. Freedom 10108, and then tech. Now once you have done the changes, just click on save over here. So just wait for it to save, and you can see the name is saved. Now let me take you back, and you can see Freedom 108 tech. So with this you can change your name on your Google account or your Gmail account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video